Introducing the XPG Levante 240 ARGB CPU water cooler, a standout choice for PC enthusiasts looking for efficient cooling and dazzling aesthetics. This all-in-one water cooling solution, developed by Acetec, combines cutting-edge technology with stylish design to keep your system running smoothly and looking great. The XPG Levante 240 features two 120mm ARGB fans, each equipped with 24 ARGB LEDs, offering a stunning array of lighting effects. These fans not only enhance the visual appeal of your build but also ensure optimal airflow and cooling performance. The ARGB lighting is fully customizable, allowing you to synchronize it with other ARGB components in your setup for a cohesive look. At the heart of the Levante 240 is an all-aluminum radiator with 11 water channels, designed to maximize heat dissipation. This robust radiator works in tandem with a thermally optimized cooling plate and a low-noise pump to deliver exceptional cooling efficiency. The pump operates quietly, with a noise level of just 30 dB, ensuring that your PC remains silent even under heavy loads. Constructed from high-quality materials, including a copper cooling plate, the XPG Levante 240 is built to last. It operates at a voltage of 12 volts and a wattage of 1.8 watts, making it an energy-efficient choice for your cooling needs. The cooler is compatible with a wide range of radiators, making it a versatile addition to any build. In summary, the XPG Levante 240 ARGB CPU water cooler offers a perfect blend of performance and style. Its efficient cooling capabilities, coupled with mesmerizing ARGB lighting, make it an excellent choice for gamers, overclockers, and PC builders who demand the best from their systems. Upgrade your cooling solution with the XPG Levante 240 and experience the ultimate in thermal management and aesthetic appeal. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.